Mamaya may bisita kami, mga German friends namin. Mag-ano kami, mag-Mexican, ang tawagin? Yeah, ducks, yes. Ducks, ducks daw, ducks. Mag-Mexican kami, food. Ako magpe-prepare. Mexican, American, parang ganun, Tex-Mex, yan. Gagawa ko ng pulled pork. At, tingnan natin kung magustuhan nila. Hindi sila masyado experimental sa mga pagkain. Usually they eat yung mga German food or Swiss food. So tingnan natin kung magustuhan nila. Gagawa ko ng pulled pork and then guacamole, nacho chips, yung cheesy nacho chips. Ayan.
Tortilla.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Yummy. Essen?
Dankeschön. Dominik managed. Ja. Reicht das? Okay. Was, Chuchi? Chuchi?
Guacamole.
Das esse ich ewig gern, das Zeug.
Was?
Guacamole.
So, was wollte ich sagen? Also wie gesagt, der Gedanke war Pulled Pork, weil kann man vorbereiten und auch nichts heißt
Und dann hat Jen sich gedacht, wir haben ja noch im Kühlschrank.
Nee.
Da hast du dir gedacht, wir haben ja noch im Kühlschrank.
Nee, haben wir alles frisch verholt.
Heute nicht.
Wart ihr im Coop? Heute? Ich hab's nicht. Ich glaube, ich hab's jetzt.
Aber ist lecker.
Die Idee war was Einfaches.
Ja gut, aber
Ja.
das ist bei euch ja meistens die Idee und ihr schafft es dann nicht, oder?
Der Ehrgeiz scheint da immer groß.
Habt ihr mal an, was ich hier gezaubert habe, Dominik? Oh, was? Okay. Ich habe es wirklich bloß aufgeschraubt.
Lassen?
Ja. Hast du diese Sauerei gemacht? Nee.
Nee, wo?
Nein, haben wir nicht.
In einer Minute?
Ja, sie meinte in nächste Runde Tortilla.
What? What is it?
Und damit meinte sie, ich soll mal machen. Also erwärmen.
Ach so.
Ja, eine Minute.
So.
Ich werde es nicht liegen lassen.
Gestern hatten wir einen schönen ruhigen Tag, da ging gar nichts.
Hello guys! Ayan, nandito naman ulit tayo. About sa pulled pork, Tex-Mex food na prepare ko kanina. Okay naman, pasado sa lasa nila. yung German friends po namin, family friends po namin, okay naman po ang ang verdict. Verdict. First time nila nakatry na taste ang Mexican food. So I was yeah, I'm happy that they tried it because they're not really experimental sa food. Mostly they eat yung mga German foods, Swiss food, yung mga cheese, mga sausages, mga potatoes, ganyan. Sauerkraut. So ayan, gumawa ko ng pulled pork, gumawa ko ng cheesy nacho, guacamole, ayan. Nagustuhan nila, sabi nila na, out of this world, taste. Like, out of this world, anong nila? Baka di nila nagustuhan. Pero nagustuhan nila, ha? Kasi maraming, nakailang, ba sila, tortilla, parang, naka-4 yata sila. Isa, yung misis niya tsaka siya naka-4 silang tortilla. So ilang yun, refill na na pulled pork, lettuce, guacamole. Then nagninibol-nibol sila sa cheesy nacho. Yung cheesy nacho ko may beef na minced beef na season ko with the cumin kasi mostly mga South American dishes, mga food, they mix it with cumin herbs. Then may rin sila, may yung sauce nila, parang Tabasco, yung salsa, ang tawag niya, kalimutan ko ang pangalan. Basta yung manghang, pa siyang rin Tabasco pero ibang pangalan tawag sa kanila. Gumawa rin ako pero yung mga kasi dito mga Swiss tsaka German friends namin, di sila masyado sa anghang. Pero may kakilala akong German friend po namin na as in kaya niya yung manghang. So sabi ko sa kanya, yung kaibigan namin na mahilig sa manghang, try mo Korean spicy noodles. Sabi niya, hanapin niya muna daw kung saan makabili. Sabi ko, andito lang sa malapit lang sa Asian store. Sabi niya, sabi niya, he will try. Ayan, sabi niya, he will try. So, let's see. So, yung mag-asawa, yung pumunta kanina, ayun ang gustuhan po nila. Overall, nagustuhan nila. Nagustuhan rin nila yung ginawa kong kasi may extra kasi akong avocado. Gumawa ko ng avocado shake na may banana. Nagustuhan rin nila. So, nilagay ko pa ng orange. Hindi siya orange na siya mandarin, clementine na malit na orange. Ay, nagustuhan nila. Sa lahat-lahat daw na nila na nakain at natikman, nagustuhan daw nila yung avocado shake ko. Pero yung yung tortilla na may pulled pork, naka-4 sila, 4 na beses na 4 na tortilla. So rin yung feeling nila sa sa tortilla nila, yung ni-roll nila makapal. So first nagustuhan rin nila. Ano ba yan? Nagustuhan nila yung pulled pork ko. Pero para sa kanila daw yung yung nagustuhan talaga nila yung lasa ng avocado shake. Kasi hindi pa sila nakatikim ng avocado shake kasi ang alam nila yung avocado is only for guacamole. So actually you can do many stuff or many with the avocado. Maraming recipe ang avocado. Ayun, nakatikim sila. First time nila nakatikim ng avocado shake. Ayan. So, ayun po. Later, tatapon po ako ng mga plastic bottles. Ayan, mga plastic bottles. At, yun lang po. Puno na kasi yung namin, container namin sa mga plastic bottles. So, tatapon po si Ma'am Shi. Ayan. Bago mag-end ang year. Ayan, guys. Thank you so much, ha. At, ayan. Pasado ang pulled pork at ang avocado shake ni Ma'am Shi at saka yung cheesy nachos. Ayan. Si Julian nagustuhan niya yung yung pulled pork. Di siya masyado sa salad, sa guacamole. Kasi sa tortilla, nilalagay ko ng salad, guacamole, onion, at tomato. Ayaw niya. So, ang inaano niya talaga yung karne. At saka yung nacho chips. So, yun ang pinakain ko sa kanya. Nabusog naman siya. Sabi ko, baka gusto mo ng rice. And sabi niya, Nay! Nay means no. So, hindi ko na siya pinilit. Kung anong gusto niya kainin, yun lang binigay ko. Behave naman siya. Behave. At, na-enjoy rin siya sa avocado shake ni Mom Shi. Tsaka si husband rin. Yung husband ko, nagustuhan rin niya. Ayan. Overall, it went well. So, guys, adios. Adios. Merry Christmas and a happy New Year, to each and everyone. At later, tatapon pa tayo ng mga plastic bottles. Gwapo ng asawa ko, Agoy. Gwapo. Ayan, punta kami sa restaurant. Celebrate namin ang 6th year anniversary namin, wedding anniversary. Cheers, Danny. So yes guys, dito kami we had a reception here in our wedding. Isang mahabang table dito at dito rin. Then sinarado dito banda. Ayan. Ayan, exclusive para sa namin, wedding namin, reception. Ayan. Maganda naman yung menu noon dati.
Yeah.
It was
place and also the view.
Ayan, also the view maganda. Oh. Andiyan yung Middle Bridge. Yung famous Middle Bridge ng Basel.
Previous one was the first bridge over there.
Yeah, and then the Rhine River. Yan po. Ang ganda ng view sa labas. Tapos na yung namin. Appetizer. Yeah. Salad. Then, hintay namin ang main course namin. In-order ko fish. Ang in-order ng asawa ko is vegetable. Pumpkin. So, Yan, hintayin natin. So, interview tayo kay husband. When did you first say the 140 to your wife?
In the taxi, going back from... Oh, where was the place? In Cagayan.
The apple tree?
No, going there, halfway. There's a...
Opol?
There's somewhere, Opol. There's a restaurant, seafood restaurant.
The...
And you had lobster.
Yeah, over there. How did you, na it's already love?
What's that kind of question?
My husband is blushing. Ayan, guys.
Rice or? Rice, you need to cook.
Alam niyo ba, guys, itong husband ko, for 6 years na kasal kami at 4 years na in relationship. As in, I'm very blessed na ano niya talaga yung ko. Ang kakulitan ko, ang pagkamaldita ko, lahat in-accept niya. Lahat ng flaws ko. And I'm thankful to have you in my life. As in, mahirap maghanap ng ganitong klaseng lalaki. And then we have a beautiful baby. Yeah, si Julia nasa bahay kasama niya yung tita niya, kapatid ni Dominic. This year sa 2021, we went out twice this year, kaming mag-asawa. So, I'm happy. He's also
Only
happy.
twice.
Huh?
Only twice.
Yeah, only twice this year because of the pandemic. And yeah, and also kid.
Mostly
And
kid.
also kid. We cannot leave.
Pandemic also. Kid.
Yeah. So intimate dinner. We had an intimate dinner. We had now intimate lunch.
This one is the new one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can try it.
Ich vertraue Ihnen eh voll. Also.
Sie vertrauen mir voll.
Ja, natürlich.
Wunderbar.
Ganz schwammer gar nicht da.
Ja, lecker, Chef.
Merci vielmals. Just in case you like it, I'll take a picture. It's okay.
I like it. It's not so, strong taste.
Yeah, because
It was Christmas.
Yan.
crazy healthy option, huh? Yeah, try.
Pwede. Masarap.
And then below there's also different. The
You wanna
servings
try?
are more realistic. I'm okay. And you have a hard time eating all this stuff. I think this will be.
Guten Appetit wieder.
Welche da?
Dann schön weg.
Ja, danke.
Danke. Sarap ng ano, fish. The sauce. Crispy.
They
fried it, yeah.
That would be more than full with this.
Sarap.
Yes, so much.
Hindi, natulungan ka nga husband ko sa ano yung pagkain niya.
Grabe.
Ito yung pagkain niya, guys. Tapos na yung akin, ha?
Veggie also delicious. But it's not vegan, it's just not meat.
Yung in-order niya, ano, vegetable. Hindi vegan food, ha? Ano, vegetarian food.
Non-meat.
Non-meat food. Sarap, masarap. No, naubos ko yung akin kasi masarap na yung akin.
It's very nice. Oh.
Now, I'm assisting him.
Yeah, because it's half a kind as well.
Malaki kasi yung ano niya, serving.
Yeah, and I'm making a mess. Unintentionally. They will change it.
Yeah.
Messy?
See?
Tricky.
It's with onion, no? Onion, garlic.
Probably. That's half the bread, right? They've been a bit generous.
Yung first taste ko, it's a bit strong, but second
They do.
taste, it's okay. The second taste is no problem. Dessert.
Grabe being the brown.
Ooh.
Chocolate lava brown. Maybe go here once per case, you know.
And would you like to taste first?
Yes, please.
That is service, huh?
Done?
Oh. Yeah? Yeah, but not so much. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, put in.
Es kommt nicht aufs Glas.
Ja, kasihan niyo yung po, alibig.
Ja, ja, aber... Merci vielmals.
Sehr gerne.
Wir kommen ja gerne da an, weil es ist eigentlich gut, aber nicht so speziell drauf. Aber gut.
Dankeschön vielmals.
Merci vielmals.
It's our 6-year wedding anniversary.
Ah, really?
Yeah,
Oh,
really.
congratulations.
Thank you. Ja, wir haben da Teil haben wir gehabt für die...
Ah, sehr lieb,
Und da
okay.
haben sie, ja, ja. Aber es war ja.
Ja. Ja, es ist halt auch dann mega schön gewesen.
Genau, genau. Und mir ist halt wirklich sehr gut.
Thank you. Yes.
Actually, last year I was trying to book a reserve, and then
But there was a lockdown.
Yeah, unfortunately.
and I tried last month or first week of December, and I have a luck. Yeah.
You would never know, no?
Yeah.
Because it would be cooler than would be booked, I guess, yeah.
Yeah.
Because I miss this place, and it gives me, it gives us memories.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's nice of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Also,
Enjoy.
Oh.
It's the XO.
Ah,
Extra.
I like this one.
Oh, Apfel.
I like to taste this omelette. It's not so strong.
That's really not chocolate. Nice. Ooh. Oh, yeah. No, thank you.
We just finished our dessert, brownies, and yung kay husband tartatan, yeah, with ice cream, vanilla ice cream, and then we had a liquor for our digestion, then espresso. Ayan guys, 6 years anniversary. Hi guys! Ayan, nandito tayo sa bahay namin. Kakagising ko lang sa siesta at ayan po, kanina pagdating namin sa bahay, ayun, yung nag-alaga sa anak ko, yung sister-in-law ko. Then, pagdating namin, umuwi na siya. Nagpapasalamat kami sa kanya kasi bihira lang kami lumalabas ng asawa ko. Then, ngayon, anniversary namin. Then, ayun po, pagdating namin, ayun na, umalis na siya. Then, pinaano muna ako ng asawa ko, pina-rest muna ako. So, nakatulog ako. Then, siya nag-alaga kay Julian, ayan. Then, pagising ko, ayan, yung nag-prepare na si husband ng black tea para sa akin. Ayan, nag-inom ako ng tea. Then, manonood lang kami ng fireworks sa TV. Ayan. So, yes, guys, Happy New Year to each and every one. May you have a prosperous New Year. Let's hope that this 2022 will be a better year. Ayan. Hope everything will be back to normal. Let's hope for that. Let's pray. And yan guys. Yan po. Take care guys, and God bless po sa inyo lahat. Hi guys! Happy New Year to everyone! Ayan, I'll be roasting chicken. Simple, basic lang natin to. If you feel ang chicken, whole chicken, roasted chicken, ilagay natin onion, garlic, paprika powder, salt and pepper, then a little bit of lime inside, and then yung lime, yung juice sa labas. Yan lang guys, then foil lang natin to. Ito po. Medyo magulo ang kitchen namin na naman. Ganyan talaga. So, yan lang guys, i-stuff lang natin to sa loob. First, salt and pepper. Pepper. Yung ano, peppercorn sa loob. Asinin sa loob. Ito, onion. Ay, alternate ang onion tsaka garlic guys para hindi ano. Para fair ang ano, ang kalat sa amoy at ang onion, yung amoy ng onion tsaka garlic. So, alternate ang paglagay. Alternate. Yan. Sarap to pag open, ano, labas ang ano talaga. Pag open ito, fragrance niya, labas. Maamoy yung garlic, yung onion. Ito, paprika powder. Yan. Stuff natin tong ano, lime. Pwede rin lemon guys. Pwede yung laging lemon. Kalamansi. Pwede rin yung ano. Basta walang buto. Tanggalin nyo na yung buto. Yung juice, squeeze mo rin sa loob. Squeeze mo rin sa labas. Ang juice ng ano, lime. Yung baking dish natin, ano siya ng foil, naka-cover ng foil. Kasi, first, i-cover muna natin yung manok. Then, the last part, i-open natin siya para mag-crispy. Ba't kino-close? Kasi para maano yung amoy niya, yung marinate niya. Absorb. Yan, absorb. Absorb, hindi observe. Ayan. So, lagyan natin dito. Lagyan natin kunting olive oil. Kasi mamaya yung oil ng chicken lalabas. Then, mag-mix sa olive oil. Then, siya. Masarap siyang combination. Masarap ang combination ng chicken oil tsaka ang olive oil. So, cover mo na siya. I-open natin to ha. Para mag-crispy yung balat. First, i-close muna natin. Ayan guys. Ready ng oven. Ayan po. Roasted chicken. Ano, ililive ko siya ng 1 hour and 1 hour. 1 hour. Ayan. Then, check natin and then open natin and then i-leave natin siya ng, ng 20 minutes until yung makita niyo po na nag-golden brown na siya. Roasted. So, yun po. 200 degrees guys. 200 degrees ang ko sa oven. Ayan po guys. At magkano rin ako, gagawa rin ako ng gagawa rin ako ng siya, yung bread na may horseradish cream and then ang top niya ay salmon, smoked salmon. Yun ang usual typical New Year anong tawag yan? Finger food. So yun po. So this is the smoked salmon with horseradish cream. Horseradish na sa ilalim. Then, tinap ko ng sibuyas. Ayan. Typical Happy New Year food. Finger food. Yung bread, guys, baguette. Baguette siya. Baguettes. Ayan. Kain pa tayo. Milagro nung the New Year. Sunny. Usually it's cloudy, or maybe it's snowing, but the good thing it's not snowing. Hi guys! Again! Dinner time! Yung kinain namin chicken, yung roasted chicken na ginawa ko. Hindi ko na na-video pagkatapos sa roasted, but it's okay. Simple, lang yan, marinate na chicken. Ayan. Kanina, lunch namin yung smoked salmon. Wow! Yes. Smoked salmon with horseradish cream. Ayan. Gusto ni Julian ang chicken. Yung broccoli. Okay, moment. Happy New Year! Happy New Year, Julian.
Wait.
Fish. Chicken. You know that movie? Fish called Chicken. There's one fish, the name is papagay fish.
Papagay fish? Wait, it's a bottle?
But it's colorful.
Okay. Chicken. It's not fish, it's chicken. Roasted chicken.
Yeah. He likes it too.
Broccoli.
Broccoli, yes. Eat. Ah. Hi guys, ayan, to end our evening, we'll be watching a movie. Matrix, yung bago. Yan, si Julian tulog na. At yan, kaming mag-asawa, manonood kami ng pelikula dito sa baba. Nandito kami sa basement. At ayan, free time namin this evening. Ayan guys, thank you so much guys sa support po sa videos ko at sa channel ko po. Happy New Year and God bless to each and everyone. Good night. Until next vlog. Mwah.